All right, bud. We are going to um, study for the test now. Okay. So, outer planets quiz study guide. Okay. Question number one: what are the outer planets? JSUN. So it's J Sun. Get it? J Sun. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. J Sun. Number two: what are the outer planets called? They're called gas giants, kind of like your dad. He's a gassy giant. His Uranus is a gassy giant. What two gases are most of the outer planets made of? Hydrogen and helium. So HH, hydrogen, helium. All right, so hydrogen, helium. All the outer planets have moons that orbit their planet. Okay, so what orbits the outer planets? Moons. Which is the largest and most massive planet? Jupiter, big old Jupiter. What is the Great Red Spot? Okay, the Great Red Spot is a hurricane storm on the surface of Jupiter. So there's a big round thing on Jupiter. It's called the Great Red Spot, and that's actually a big storm, a hurricane. What is the second largest planet? Saturn. Okay, so Jupiter first, then Saturn. What planet is best known for its rings? That's Saturn as well. He's a really cool looking planet because of the rings. And what are Saturn's rings made of? Ice and rock. Okay, so ice and rock is what the rings are. Which planet rotates top to bottom instead of side to side? That's Uranus. Uranus has to be different than everybody else, or Uranus. Number 11, which two planets are cold and blue in color? Uranus and Neptune. That's easy to remember because they're the farthest from the sun. Why are these two planets blue? The reflection of the methane gas in the atmosphere. So it has to do with the gas in the atmosphere, methane gas. Which planet is thought to be slowly shrinking? Neptune. Neptune is slowly shrinking, which is really weird. Which planet has the most moons? That's Jupiter, the biggest planet, so it makes sense that he would get the most moons. This planet has more than 60 moons. What separates the inner planets from the outer planets? It's an asteroid belt. So there's like a big line of like debris and matter. It's the asteroid belt. What is the name of Neptune's largest moon? Triton. What is the name of Saturn's largest moon? Titan. That's very confusing. Okay, so Saturn is Titan. Neptune is Triton. That's going to be tough. Try to figure that one out. Neptune has the R in it. Saturn does not have an R in it. Okay, so Neptune has the Triton, and Saturn has the Titan. What's the Triton, Dad? Is that thing, the three-headed spear? Is that what a Triton is? Nah, never mind. Don't worry about it. Okay, Triton and Neptune. Saturn, Titan. Number 18. What are the names of Jupiter's four largest moons? Io, which is a weird name. Europa, which is a weird name. Ganymede, which is a weird name. And Callisto, which is a weird name. These are going to be tough. These are going to be tough ones, okay? So I have a feeling the question might be like, which one of these is Jupiter's moon except for? So she might do a question where it's like she has 5 choices and leaves one of them out. What is the third largest planet? Uranus. Okay, so it seems like it goes in order, right? So it's JSUN, J Sun. So J is Jupiter, that's the largest. Saturn is the second largest. Uranus is the third largest, and then Neptune would obviously be the fourth largest, the smallest. Okay, number 20. True or false? Neptune has clouds in its atmosphere? That is true. So Neptune does have clouds. 21. What is Jupiter's moon low, Io, covered with? Volcanoes. Okay, so volcanoes. 22. True or false? Saturn has only a few rings. That's false. Apparently, Saturn has a lot of rings. Number 23. Uranus is 4 times larger than Earth. That's hysterical because Earth is really big. So Uranus is 4 times larger than Earth. That's why it's a gas giant. Number 24. Which spacecraft discovered that Uranus has moons? It's Voyager. Voyager 2 to be specific. 25. What do astronomers think happened to Uranus? to make it spin top to bottom. They believe it was hit by a large object in space. Okay, so it changed the direction. What is the Great Dark Spot? Okay, so apparently Neptune has a dark spot where Jupiter has the red spot. So the Great Dark Spot is a giant storm on the surface of Neptune. And number 27, what planet is the Great Dark Spot on? That is Neptune. All right, Jake, good luck. You've got all you can eat ice cream at stake. If you get a 99%, you get one free ice cream. If you get a 100%, you get all you can eat ice cream. All right? Good luck to you, buddy. Love you.